Welcome everybody. This is Nick's day from the junkyard. I had too much running around to do once I got back from the junkyard to organize, unload. I still haven't fully unloaded, but wanted to go over everything that I got out of the junkyard, show you the receipt for everything, and show you, I guess, a little bit more info on the thermostat housing from the RDX, and give you a better year range because I looked that up. Again, this was from the RDX. This housing is aluminum, so these bolts are not shouldered like these bolts are for the plastic components. The plastic housing for the RSX has shouldered bolts, and they're all the length of these, not this. So you can see the difference in length there. So they're not shouldered, being an aluminum housing, and this one is, what, 2.5 times the length of the ones for the plastic housings. But it does have the fairly straight down exit, even more straight down than the RSX does. And again, this housing, this outer plastic portion with the thermostat in it, this is a direct bolt-on to a K24A2 back housing. So if you get one of these either from the junkyard or order them up from Honda, I will pull up the part number. I pulled it up last night and I'll link it down in the description below. If you order this up from Honda, this portion is a direct bolt-on to the K24A2 rear housing. You don't need to remove and replace this to utilize this outer housing with the down turn coming out of it instead of the upturn. Breakdown on the receipt from LKQ. And again, keep in mind, and it shows it at the bottom, the discount of 124. For every 500 points you get with LKQ here in Florida, they will give you 20% off of a purchase. So this entire day's work in the junkyard was one purchase. I got 20% off the entire purchase. So keep that in mind when I'm giving you all the prices. If you go to their website and take a look at their parts pricing, it's not going to line up with these because of that 20% off. Transmission, that cost me $116.60, plus there's a $30 core. Engine was $224 and a core of $75 for the engine. The alternator was $21.20 with a $10 core. AC compressor $30.40, $10 core. They got this as a pressure hose, power steering. I think that's what they ended up charging me for that RDX thermostat housing with the hose on it. So that was $7.20 for that entire housing, both inner and outer and hose. Instrument cluster out of the RSX was $21.60 with a $2.50 core. The axles were $21 each, $42 total. Core $9 each, so $18 total for those two CV axles. The computer control module, the ECU, was $20 with a $7 core, and the shift assembly and cables was $14 with a $2.50 core. So that brings it up to a part total of $497 for yesterday. Cores equal $155. Then they've got their environmental fee, $42.38. Tax $45.14. Grand total $739.52. And like I said, that's after the $124.25 discount, taking the 20% off of the parts only. There's no discount on the cores. And that was yesterday's haul. Thanks everybody for following along. That is just the quick update on how things went from yesterday's junkyard run. And for now, I need to start working on getting this stuff out of the element and into the shop, which is far too full. And you'll probably see that as well. Thanks for tuning in, following along. You guys have a great day. I'll see if I can figure out how to do a time-lapse on the extricating of drivetrain from the element. I will catch you guys later. Have a great day. See ya.